robot. I'm not. I'm a human. I fall in love, then I get into a relationship, and I don't know how to break up with somebody, and I won't cheat on them. So every time I fall in love, I'm like, fuck, here goes 3 years. That's why I don't even know how dating sites exist. I don't know what man is paying money to get into a relationship. Oh, I'm very happy. How can I fuck this up? My only wish when I fall in love is that I come home from work, open the door, and she's in there blowing someone. Yep, that's my dream scenario. That the woman I love unconditionally is just like, oh shit, you can't do that, I'm out of here.